Hi, I'm Maia. I'm a researcher, and also I support now the archive of the European Space Agency at ESAC, working for Telespazio. And I actually did all my research career on Venus since my PhD until now. In this presentation, I am going to talk about a very broad overview of what we know about Venus, and also a lot of what we don't know, which is really many things. So linking to that, how this many questions we have about Venus led us to select actually 3 new missions, 2 by NASA and 1 by ESA, to go to the planet early next decade. And I'm going to talk about these missions, how they're going to help us solve these big mysteries about Venus, which is mainly why Venus, which is about the same size and the same density of the Earth, and about the same distance to the Sun, a little bit closer to the Sun, ended up so different from the Earth. And it's very unclear why that is. And we hope we're gonna find more about that with these new missions.